you remember that Mom and Dad are going to a baseball game tonight? Mm-hmm. Mom's just coming home in order to get to the train. She's not going to be here long. She's going to come in and go out. You remember that? Okay.
Who took this?
Oh, Luke did. He was playing with it. Fell off. It can go back on.
I'm telling you because you don't like to be surprised about that stuff.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm telling you, okay?
She's going potty.
No.
Most boys shouldn't go in the bathroom when a girl's going potty, Luke.
There might be stuff on the floor in the bathroom too. I've got all my stuff in there.
I'm watching him. He's kind of outside the door.
I'm trying to think if there's anything on the floor.
You missed her, huh?
Every time I go into the bathroom, you like go. Can I close this? Oh, thank you.
Give it back to her. Give it to Juliana, Luke.
Thank you.
Good boy. I'll take it. You want Mommy to take it? Thank you, Luke. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Come get it. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for, you know that pink handkerchief and that little green bird?